Hello class, in this video we will study class 10th maths chapter 4 quadratic equation. So now in this video we will study nature of roots of quadratic equation. Okay. So earlier video we have studied the introduction part of a quadratic equation, solution of the quadratic equation by three methods. The first one is a factorization method, the second one is completing the square method, and third is by quadratic formula. So in quadratic formula we derive this formula of a quadratic equation. Okay, so root of the root of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we derive that x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac is upon 2a. This is called quadratic formula. This is our quadratic formula. This is quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. So now uh, we earlier video in completing the square method, why we need to derive this quadratic formula, because the square we when you go through the last video of mine, so x plus 3 by 8 whole square we got a minus 71 upon 64. So where we were explained that uh, square of any number never be zero. So how can you find the solution of this types of equation? So we will derive this one. Okay, so quadratic formula. So but formula has some conditions. Quadratic formula has some conditions. So first condition, what the first condition is? First condition is if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we get we get two distinct real root, two distinct two distinct real roots, two distinct real roots. Let the first one is x alpha is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. Okay, so where b square minus 4ac is called discriminant, is called discriminant. Discriminant, where b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Okay, so what we have called that, if the discriminant is greater than 0, it means the b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then we get a real root, but the both are distinct. Okay, the second condition is if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Okay, we get now, so before writing what we get, two we get real root but equal, real roots but equal, real roots but equal. So what is the equal? So since b square minus 4ac becomes 0, so this, let's see this. If b square minus 4ac becomes 0, so alpha is equal to, so alpha is equal to minus b upon 2a, and beta is equal to minus b upon 2a. So here you can see that if this portion becomes 0, so minus 2 upon a. If this portion minus 2 b 2 upon a, 2 minus b upon 2a. Okay, so we get the third one is the third one. What we get if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there is a then then there is then there is no real number, then there is no real number, then there is no real number whose square whose square is b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac. Therefore therefore there are no real there are no real roots for given quadratic equation, for given quadratic equation, given quadratic equation. Okay, so this is our nature of root, this is our nature of roots. Okay, so if you want to take an example, I am uh, taking some example here. The question number a, I took the example one is, so the first is 9x square minus 12x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so here a is equal to 9, b is equal to minus 12, and c is equal to 4. Solution is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b square is minus 12 ka whole square minus 4, a is 9, and c is 4. So 144 minus 36 9 ja 36 9 4 ja 36, 36 4 ja 144, so it becomes 0. So since d is equal to 0, so d is equal to 0, hence so discriminant becomes 0, so discriminant becomes 0, so what we get, we get real root, equal and real and equal roots. Okay, real and equal roots. Okay, next we take the example of the second one is second example. So I took the here b. So the b is, what the second one is, 2x square. Here b is 2x square minus 9x plus 4 is equal to 0. So solution, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 9, and c is equal to 4. Okay, so d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So d is equal to minus 9 whole square minus 4, a is equal to 2, and c is equal to 4. So d 18 1 minus 4 to ja 8, 8 4 ja 32. So this becomes 11 minus 2 is 9, and this becomes 7, 7 minus 3 is 49. So since d is greater than 0, hence hence it is real but a real and distinct root, real and distinct root. Okay, so these two examples I have taken for the real, equal root and distinct root. Okay, so you will take another example for less than 0, and you say that the real no real root. Okay, so you will pause this video and go through the each and every step of nature of root. Okay, so thank you, please like, subscribe, and share my videos.